how to set up app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set up Apple Pay. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Apple Wallet. After you do that, you can then tap on the plus icon on the top right. After you do that, you can then search for Apple Pay. So you can find different options. You can add different cards. You can add whichever card you want. It's completely up to you as well. So after you here, you can simply choose debit or credit card. Then tap on continue. Now you can hold a card nearby to simply, use it to set up your chip or enter your card details manually. Now all you have to do is enter out your card details right here. After you enter your card details, it will get added. After that, you'll also have to add your expiration date, your security code, and then accept the terms and conditions. After that, your card will be set up on your Apple Wallet, and now you can use your Apple Pay. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.